Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Easy AI. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to check if a number is odd or even using JavaScript. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up your coding skills, by the end of this video you will be able to do it in just a few lines of code. So let's jump right in. So first, let us start our video by creating a JavaScript file as script.js. So I have created my JavaScript file. So to perform or to check if a number is odd or even, first we have to define a number. So let us use let keyword and number as the variable is equal to 7. Okay, so I'm just giving an example of 7 here. So as we know, 7 is odd number, but how to check in coding? So we need to check using a condition. So let us put if condition, if number mode, okay, 2 equal to 0. So this is how you check a number is odd or even. So let us just print it, console.log. In JavaScript we use console.log to print. Okay, so let me just put else. If the number is not divided by 2, then it's odd number. Okay, so let us check the output. We should get the number is odd. Okay, so let me just open my terminal, new terminal, and let me just node script.js. Okay, so the number is odd as you can see. So let us check for 8. Just save it and run the code again. So the number is even. So that's it, and that's it for today's. Now you can easily check if any number is odd or even in JavaScript. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell for more quick coding tips. See you on the next one.